Hi.
Hi, good evening. Happy Tuesday.
Look at
W-
this.
Oh, what is that?
Cereal.
A cereal? Is that your dinner tonight?
Yeah, I'm in the mom's office.
So you're not home yet.
Yeah, but I will watch YouTube here.
So you have watched YouTube the whole time. Did you go to school today?
Look at this. It's amazing.
Wait a minute. I want to see it. I'll make it big, which is amazing. A soya milk. I like it. Soya. It's made of soya beans. Can you show it again? Can you make it big? Your soya milk. So that's one. Soy milk. Can you do it together?
Soy.
Yeah, soy milk. So there are also milk from cow. We have cow milk, but that one is a soy milk. SOY and then milk.
Milk.
Milk. Can you
Look at
show?
this. Look at this. I make it really big.
You're really big. I can only see your eyes and then your nose and your mouth.
Look at
It's
this.
so funny. What about your teeth? I can also see your mouth. Wow, that's good. So you have complete teeth. So I think you brush your teeth every day, right?
Yeah, look at here.
What's
It's a little bit. It's a little bit funny teeth.
Ah, wow, you have complete teeth. So you have to brush your teeth every day so that you won't
But
have any
wait a
toothache.
minute. When I eat the food on here, it's painful. Yeah.
It's
But I
painful.
brush my teeth. I brush my teeth, but it's too painful.
So you mean
Yeah.
to have you have a toothache on this side? Is that right?
No. I brush my teeth every day. Huh?
Yeah, even though you brush your teeth, sometimes because you're small, so some teeth are already loosened up, right? Okay. I remember when I was young too, like when I was only 3 years old or 4 years old, I guess. I'm very scared when the dentist will extract my tooth. It's very painful. Sometimes I'm crying too hard. How about you? Have you been to a dentist? Do you know what
Nope.
dentist is? Dentist?
Yeah, it means it's painful teeth.
Yeah. Dentist, it means a doctor for tooth. Okay? Dentist. So, have you
Dentist.
ever see a dentist? No?
What?
Have you
Yeah.
ever saw a dentist?
Oh, dentist. It's teeth?
Dentist, doctor. Doctor for your teeth. A dentist. Like
What?
teacher. We also teacher, uh, pilot, engineer, and dentist. So again, Nick Dentist is doctor for teeth. Okay?
Doctor for teeth.
Have you ever saw a doctor for teeth?
No.
No, not yet. Okay. So anyways, let's go now. Are you ready to study? Do you want to study
Yeah.
today?
Yeah, I want to study, but yesterday you say we will study about Kepler.
Yeah, you're right. Today we are going to study about Kepler. But you look so funny. You
What?
are very big. I cannot see you. Only your ears. Can you make it small?
No, I cannot.
You cannot do that. Oh no. I
Wait
cannot.
a minute, a second. Wait,
Okay.
wait, wait. What's the long name Kepler? Really long name Kepler.
I don't know. I don't know what is it. Do you know? Do you know what is it?
No.
No. Okay, me too. I don't know. So actually today we are going to study about 9 Earth-like planets that we
Nine Earth
can.
like one.
Okay, it means that there are also planets like out in our Milky Way galaxy that the same and it looks like the Earth. So, for example, if the Earth will die someday, okay? For example, after 10 billion years, okay? The Earth will be very old, and then so the Earth will get destroyed, maybe because of pollution, maybe because of volcanic eruption, or some meteors coming in into our Earth, or because of war and COVID-19. So the Earth will die. So we will go to another. We need to find another planet where we can live on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, how do you think the Earth will die, Nick?
5.4, 5.5 billion years.
Yeah. So maybe. So now the Earth is 4.5 years old. 4.5 billion years old now. But after 5.5 billion years, so the Earth will die. So we need to find a planet that looks like the Earth. But in order for us to live in that planet, we need to have something. First, what do we need, Nick? We need
Food.
food. So we need an Earth like that, a planet that has a food. So there's a plant and there's also trees and animals can live on that planet. Number two,
Water.
so we need water too. So a planet should also have a water just like the Earth. So we need water to drink and
Air.
air. So we need to have an air like an oxygen and also a carbon dioxide for the plants. So
Heat.
inhale and exhale. And
Heat.
heat. So we need to have a heat too. The planet should not be very cold and the planet should not be very hot so that we can cook our food and we can also dry our clothes. So we need heat. And
Average. Average temperature.
okay, it means that the temperature not be very, very cold. So it's not an ice planet. And it's not be very hot, that it's not very
You
near
know,
the
five.
star.
5.5 can't cry E is a diamond planet.
Oh, really? Like a diamond planet like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen that.
5.5 can't cry E. A
Ah,
diamond planet.
where can you see that?
Yeah.
Where can you see
I
that
was
planet?
on YouTube.
Ah, is it in Milky Way galaxy or outside the Milky Way galaxy?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So,
And
and
center.
we need to have shelter. When we talk about shelter, we need house. Okay? We need a house that where we can able to sleep well and have a rest. Okay.
And
Again,
we
and
need some bills. I have a good idea. When
what?
I go to that planet, I will I will make I'll meet my house.
You know, you look so funny. I can only see your mouth. Okay. Now again, what are the things that we need? So in order for us to find a good planet
Food,
like Earth,
water, air, heat, average temperature, and shelter.
okay. So those are the things that we need in a planet so that we can live. Okay. So now our astronomer, our scientists are looking for a planet that looks like the Earth. And they find And in Milky Way galaxy, again, how many? There are like billions of planets and stars. Okay, only in Milky Way galaxy. And there are 30 planets that looks like the Earth.
Earth.
Planets that looks like the Earth. Okay, again, Nick, how many planets are there in the Milky Way galaxy that looks like the Earth?
13
Ah,
planets.
so there are 30 planets, but today we're going to study only 9 planets because 30 is so many. We cannot finish that, so we only have to study 9 planets that looks like the Earth.
Wait. I have a good idea.
What is
We
it?
we today we study 9 planets, and after that we study more
Oh, okay, we will study more planets.
later, next
Yeah.
time.
Okay, next time. All right.
That's a good idea, right?
Yes, that's a good idea. Okay, so here again, there are many stars. And then in those stars, there are planets. And here we're going to study 9 planets that look like the Earth.
But
Okay.
some stars don't have them.
Yeah, you're right. So, but here, let's start with the first Kepler. Okay. So here, the first Kepler is Kepler 62e. Okay.
Kepler 62e.
It's in the Milky Way galaxy. And then it's in the Kepler system. So it's another star. So it's still in the Milky Way galaxy, but there is a Kepler, like Kepler system. We have solar system, like a sun, but we have Kepler system too. So, and there are many Keplers, make Kepler 62F, 62E, 62D, 62C, 62B. But we're only going to study Kepler 62E. And it's 1200 millions light years away from Earth. Okay. So just like the Kepler system, so this Kepler 62E is on the second planet away from the sun. Okay?
Okay.
So it says that here in Kepler 62e, it's not very hot and it's not very cold. But, and they said that it's very cloudy in Kepler 62e. Okay. And here, Kepler 62e is cloudy and it's not hot and it's not very cold.
What?
But they have to study. The scientists are still studying if there's an air or an oxygen in Kepler 62e.
What about worm? Worm.
Worm,
I see worm. I see in YouTube that in the Kepler system it's too close. It's red. Red is hot, and green is warm, and blue is cold.
but this one Kepler 62e is white. So it means that it's full of clouds. We're not sure is it is hot or is very cold. Now, next to Kepler 62e is a Kepler 62f. So they are near. So Kepler 62f is the cousin of 62e. So they are in the same system. So, but it says that in 62f, there's a lot of water. So we're not sure. Yeah, it's very covered with water. So we're not
Yeah,
sure if
no
there's a
worm.
land.
What about that planet? I think the water is until close to the core. I think.
Maybe. We're not sure. But according to scientists, the Kepler 62f is full of water. So maybe there are little land or no land at all. And they say that in Kepler 62f there might be aliens under the water. Like there might
Ah,
be like there
ocean alien.
yeah, there might be an ocean alien, just like fish. So, but the different fish, they have kind of fish that does not the same with the earth, right? It's so scary. Maybe the ocean aliens are there in Kepler 62F. We cannot live there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we can live in Kepler 62E only. Any questions here? Oh,
Overtime.
not yet. We have 5 minutes left.
Huh?
Yeah,
But
five.
why do you think no question?
No, not yet. I'm asking about Kepler. So what about after Kepler? Again, we have Kepler 62E and Kepler
Kepler
6
T2M. Oh,
62F.
it's bigger than Earth?
Yeah, this one is Earth. It's 100 millions kilometer away from the Earth.
But
Oh, but Kepler
some
62F
planets.
is bigger. It's much bigger,
Wait,
like
wait,
two times.
wait a minute, a second. The strange thing is that a gas giant Jupiter is hidden by another gas giant, which is 10 times mass of Earth.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah,
But
and this is a long name. And it has an icy silicate core. And when it collides, that core merge with Jupiter. And then the heavy elements spread out and mix with the Jupiter, Jupiter's atmosphere. And then the Jupiter turn
bigger.
red until they reach a biggest planet.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of scary. I hope it won't happen. Because if the Jupiter will get bigger and red and hotter, so the Earth will also be warm, right? Okay, now this time here. Again, the Kepler 62F is much bigger, like twice bigger than the Earth. So after the Kepler, we have another Kepler, but it's in the other system. It's not in Kepler system, but in is the other system. So this Kepler 186F. And it's near Earth. It's only 500 billion light years away from Earth.
Too
It's really
far?
this yeah, it's far, it's very far, but the Kepler 62F 62E is farther than 162F.
Huh?
It looks like Earth. Look at this is the Earth and this is Kepler 162F. It's
I
bigger. This
I
one, the Kepler
Can I see
162.
the real picture of this Kepler? Real picture.
uh Wait a minute. Oh no, I did not. I'm sorry. I did not take a picture of that Kepler 162F, 186F. No picture. So tomorrow,
That's
I think.
okay.
Okay. Oh wait a minute. Where are we? Hold on. Let's go back it here now. Again, the Kepler 186F is in habitable zone. So what do you mean
Hmm?
habitable zone? So it means
Open it
that
up, look at that. Uh,
uh-huh, it means that the sun here is not too hot
yeah.
and not too
And do you know
cold.
the strange name of the Kepler 12 to that Kepler, I didn't know the name, but it orbit around the Goldilocks zone. Do you know Goldilocks zone? Goldilocks zone.
Goldilocks
Goldilocks zone.
zone.
Yeah,
Um,
Goldilocks.
I don't know what's Goldilocks zone is, but I only know habitable zone. So when we talk about habitable, it means it's not hot and it's not cold. It's just okay temperature, right? It's not
Yeah.
very near the sun or the star. So here, the next planet aside from Kepler, we also have KOI 7711 Okay. Again, it's KOI 7711.01.
Earth. I
Yeah.
see a little bit of land.
Yeah, you're right. It looks like Earth. So KOI is the same like Earth, but they say that this KOI, they have very many land. Like it's too rocky. The mountains are very high, and then it's made of hills. Okay?
Hills? What is hills?
Hills. Like the mountain. Small mountain. We call it hills.
Hills.
It's very rocky, full of rocks. So we cannot live above the mountain, right? So we need to
Yeah.
live under the mountain here. So it's very rocky. There's a lot of rocks in KOI
Oh,
771101. And the
okay.
and it's good here in KOI 7711.01, their star is smaller than the sun.
Red dwarf?
A little, yeah, a red dwarf. It's smaller than the sun. It means that maybe KOI 7711.01 is a little colder. Okay, a little colder than the Earth because the sun is smaller, the star is smaller than our sun.
Do you know the strange planet called Arcturus? Arcturus is 8 times closer to the sun than Mercury. It's too close to the sun.
Is it in, what is that? Is that an asteroid? A
No,
star?
it's Kepler. Arcturus.
Is it is it near the sun?
Yeah, 8 times closer than Mercury.
Oh my gosh. It's maybe it's very very hot right there. Okay.
But,
Oh no, our
but
time is over now. So tomorrow we're going to continue another Kepler and Ross 128b and Proxima and the other planet that looks like, and the most,
TRAPPIST 1e.
yeah, they say that its TRAPPIST 1e the same like the Earth. It's the
A
only,
same size.
yeah, it's also the same size. Okay, so time is over now. We're going to continue tomorrow. Any questions? Questions?
No question.
No
I'll
questions.
watch YouTube.
Yeah.
I'll watch YouTube this time.
If you watch YouTube tomorrow, I don't know. You will learn a lot of Keplers. Okay, and also your homework
Okay,
is,
I'll tell you.
yeah, your homework is you're going to tell me another Kepler that you know the same like the Earth. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow. You look so funny. I can only see your nose, your mouth. Goodbye. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Maganda